Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make Pinterest pictures your wallpaper. First, unlock your mobile phone and connect to the internet. Open the Pinterest app from your home screen or app drawer. If not logged in, sign into your Pinterest account. Use the search bar or browse your feed to find the picture you want as wallpaper. Tap on the picture or pin to open it in full view. Look for the three dot menu at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap it, then choose Download Image. If it's your first time, tap Allow Storage Permissions for Pinterest if there's any. Wait until you see the confirmation message that the image has been saved. Open your phone's Gallery app or Google Photos app. Find the downloaded Pinterest picture in the Pinterest or Downloads folder. Tap on the image to open it. Tap the three dot menu or More Options and choose Set as Wallpaper or Use as Wallpaper. Then tap Apply. Choose whether you want it as home screen wallpaper, lock screen wallpaper, or both. Then tap Apply or Set Wallpaper. Tip: for better fit, you can crop or edit the picture before setting it as wallpaper. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.